Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a common size balance sheet. I'm taking the same example that of Tata Power we have already used for making comparative balance sheet. As you can see that what I have done is I have just copied 2-3 items from the balance sheet, as you can see, and there are the columns required like particulars, the figures of 2021, then figures of 2022, and then percentage to total assets 31 March 2021 and 31st March 2022. What we are here to do is, as you as I'm showing it to you, that for property, plant and equipments, first what you have done is you have copied the figures from the downloaded balance sheet of Tata Power. The figures for 31st March 2021 for property, plant and equipment is given, and I am highlighting it for you. 21,602.44, and that for 31st March 2022 the values are 20,874.79. So, and the next two columns we have percentage to total assets for 31st March 2021, and again percentage to total assets 31st March 2022 for the next year. Here, how to calculate this value, I'm going to show you. What we have done is we have divided the figure of property, plant and equipments for the year 31st March 2021, 21,602.44 divided by 44, the total assets. I will show you again. The total assets have been given. Total assets of the Tata Power have been given. As you can see, the total assets are given here. So I'm going to highlight that. These are, I'll have to change the color just because it seems not. Now it will be. So now you can see that this is the highlighted portion where you see the total assets, and these are the total assets that have been written here. Okay. So this is the total assets copied from the PDF of the balance sheet available on the net. And the next what we have done is in the third column, that is total assets 31st March 2021, we will divide each and every value with this total 44,400, sorry, 44,455.64 multiply by 100. And if we calculate it, what we are doing is 21,602.44 divided by 44,455.64, and then we will multiply by this value by 100 and we'll have the answer, that is 48.59. So we'll put here 48.59. This will be our answer. And the next what we are going to do is the next value, that is for right of use asset 2,830.91, again has to be divided by 44,455.64 multiply by 100, and again I'll calculate the value. This is 2830.91 divided by 44455.64 multiply by 100. So here we have 6.3, approximately 6.37. That is 6.37. That means simply if I say that every item has to be divided by this total assets. Every item, whether it is assets or equity and liability, every item has to be divided by this total for column number 3. And similarly for column number 4, what we are to do is, I'm just showing you again. As you can see, the value for property, plant and equipment is 20,874. Now for the year 22, the total assets are 47,153. So I'll be dividing this item by 47,153.40 into 100. Again, I'll show you to calculate. Now we have calculated this. Two 20874 20874.79 to be precise, 0.79 divided by 47,153.40 and then multiply this by 100, you'll have the answer, that is 44.27. That is correct up to 2 decimal places, right? 44.27. 44.27. That is, and if I calculate a right of use asset, then what you have to do is 2833.74 again divided by 47,153.40 into 100. I'm calculating it for you. That is 2833.74 divided by 47,153.4 multiply by 100 and you'll have the answer. That is 6, approximately 6%. Okay, so that is how what you have to do is in preparing common size balance sheet, you have to divide each item by total assets of that column. अगर आप 2021 की वैल्यूज का कॉमन साइज बना रहे हैं, तब आपको जो भी आप आइटम लेंगे उसको इस टोटल से डिवाइड करना है, इस कॉलम के टोटल से, ठीक है? और यहां तक कि आपको इस टोटल से भी डिवाइड करना है, जैसे कि अगर हम टोटल एसेट्स लेंगे, वैल्यू हो जाएगी 44,455.64 अगेन डिवाइडेड बाय 44.45 into 100 and you will have the answer as 100. So it will be 100. ठीक है? So for every item you are to divide it by total assets of that column. और जब हम 2022 की वैल्यूज लेंगे तब हम हर आइटम को 47,153 से डिवाइड करेंगे और 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और उसको 4th कॉलम में लिखेंगे, ठीक है? सो इस बैलेंस शीट में आपको यही करना है कि आपको हर आइटम को उसके टोटल एसेट से डिवाइड करके 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और जो परसेंटेज वैल्यू आएगी उसको 3rd कॉलम में, और जब आप 22 के लिए कैलकुलेट करेंगे तब आपको हर आइटम को डिवाइड करना है 22 के टोटल एसेट से, जो कि है 47,153 इस एग्जांपल में, और जो भी आंसर आएगा उसको आप कॉलम नंबर 4 में लिखेंगे, ठीक है?